Right? Okay, so without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the newest member of Mega Global Family, the face of Mega Tuna, please welcome the 100% beautiful Miss Liza Soberano. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry po, medyo late po ako ngayon. Nag-antay po kayo ng konti. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for coming here today para supportahan ako, tsaka ang Mega Tuna. Thank you guys at sana nag-enjoy po kayo at nasasarapan sa Mega Tuna.
Right, again, let's give Liza Soberano, please, a big hand, the newest member of the Mega Global Corporation family. Hi, Liza. I'm Riza.
Hi.
O, diba, hindi mo po masyadong nalalayo. Liza and Riza, let's sit, please. Upo po tayo. Sir Paolo, dito kasamahan mo kami. Dito na ako sa may gilid. Ayan. Hi, Liza.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Kaya naman pala, siya talaga yung perfect face for a Mega Tuna, di ba? I know you all are excited and a lot of questions. Don't worry, kasi mahaba-habang kwentuhan ito with Liza and Sir Paolo. Pero ang tanong ko, kasi nagmamadali si Liza papunta dito and then we rush her into, of course, fixing herself up at magbihis, ganyan-ganyan. Feeling ko hindi ka pa kumain. Hindi ba? Okay, so that's good. Kasi ang gagawin natin ngayon, habang magkukwentuhan tayo, kahit tayo. Okay lang ba yan?
Opo, okay.
Sir Paolo, samahan mo kami.
Okay, hindi na kumakain eh. Ilang halata.
Hindi mo masyado kasi busy si Sir Paolo. So, here's what we're going to do. Together, with our guests, we'll try the different variants of Mega Tuna. I know you've tried it already. Isang variant pa lang yung tatry ko. So, samahan nyo kami in trying. Okay? So, our friends from... okay, it's here. Great. Okay, sige, kakain tayo. Kasi I know there's, of course, a lot of variants to try from. Pero Liza, I know this, of course, is also a huge deal for you to be part of a really nice family who's been in the industry for so long. They have, you know, a good track record. Maganda ang kanilang reputation. Hindi ka nahirapan siguro in deciding to say yes.
Hindi po.
Opo. Pinupopo niya ako.
Sorry.
Ang hirap naman. Okay. So, eto na. Ready? Ready to try? Sir Paolo, huwag ka nang mahiya. Okay. So, I have here different variants. Na-try ko, unang-una, yung Spanish style. And then, na-surprise ako, Sir Paolo and Liza, na meron siyang actual corn kernels. Diba? Buong-buo talaga.
Sweet and spicy. The one with the corn kernels.
Ito pala yun.
Yes,
Okay. Pero kasi magkakulay sila. Magkakulay. Okay, so that's sweet and spicy. So, sakto lang. Yung balanse ng spicy from the tuna and then corn kernels from...
The sweetness of the corn kernels.
Right. Ikaw, ano personal favorite mo, Liza?
Ako po yung hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy? Okay, sige, sa'yo na yan. O, gusto mo i-try yung iba?
Gusto ko i-try.
I-try mo na din. Okay. Hot and spicy. Ito naman is... So, we have hot and spicy. We have... Si Liza, alam na to. Flakes and oil.
Yes.
Flakes and oil. Kung saan naman, lasang-lasa ko talaga yung ano.
Pure tuna. It's really pure tuna.
Just the kind of flavor na pwede mong paglaruan with so many things like salad, diba, pasta, ganyan. And of course, Spanish style. So hot and spicy, we have sweet and spicy, and then we have flakes and oil, and then Spanish style. Okay, try natin. Don't worry, may tissue ako dito. Gusto mo ba ng, ng bread?
Hindi, okay.
Okay, try natin. Okay. Sir Paolo, ikaw, which one do you like best?
Spanish style.
Spanish style. Okay, magkahati tayo sa Spanish style. Bali, marami naman. Pero you're saying, Sir Pao, na 100% pure tuna, no preservatives, no extenders, no MSG, and it's just right kasi, alam mo yun, everyone now is health conscious.
Yes.
Diba? We're more aware of what we put inside our bodies. So, ito, walang pretensions na healthy talaga siya. Kung nag-diet ka, or you just want to maintain a proper and balanced diet, diba? Ikaw ba, Liza, or Liza, nag-diet ka pa ba?
Oh, especially pag nasa shooting, kailangan talaga para hindi magkaang mukha.
Ang bata to masyadong honest. Kasi pagkasabi niya, nakatingin siya sa akin. Hindi naman po. Okay ba? Pero, so, ikaw sa taping, you bring some? Kasi, something that I noticed, Sir Pao, yung packaging, easy open, ha?
Yes.
Hindi lang tayo maghahanap ng ablata o ng kung ano para to open. Diba? You can just bring it and then, yun na, pwede na.
Most of the consumers kasi are gearing towards convenience din nowadays, especially sobrang fast-paced ng buhay natin. So we really want convenience every day.
And then, so it's easy open, you can bring it along with you and then ready to eat. Diba? But how do you enjoy your Mega Tuna, Liza? Over bread, rice?
My favorite sandwich kasi is tuna sandwiches. So, favorite ko with bread and also with rice.
Like rice ka?
Oo.
Brown rice?
Hindi po, white rice.
Why?
Kailangan ko po talaga ng rice.
Oo, di ba? So, pwede rin siya. All its different variants could mix very well kung bread man yan. Or, sometimes what I try, itry nyo din, yung
Crackers.
Crackers, yeah, exactly. You read my mind, di ba? Ang sarap niya. Just over crackers. And then yun, parang unti-unti, di ba? Kainin mo yung savor the flavor. It's really, really nice. And then, convenient nga. Di ba kasi, open mo lang na ganyan, and then, isang tinidor lang, tapos nandun na, di ba?
Marami na siya sa isang can. Maraming tuna na.
Right. Isa pa yun that I noticed, Sir Paolo, pulong-pulo yung can.
Yes, it's really more of the tuna flakes and not the oil.
Right. So, all of these, again, Liza, all of its variants, it being 100% pure tuna, you must be very proud to represent something like this, diba?
Very truthful and honest.
Right. So, sa mga, I know, ang dami mong followers, ang dami mong nag-admire. What is it about Mega Tuna that, you wish to share with them also? Like you na, syempre, araw-araw tinitignan nila kung ano ginagawa mo, or anong kinakain mo. Is that something that you enjoy na share mo din sa kanila? And then nakakatulong ka rin sa kanila?
Yes, kasi lagi tinatanong ng mga supporters kung ano yung kinakain, how to stay healthy and fit. So, syempre, I share with them some tips sometimes na kung ano yung madalas kong kinakain, pero hindi naman ako lagi nagda-diet. But when I really, really need to go on a diet, I like to stick to seafood and vegetables. And yun, nakakatulong talaga yung Mega Tuna kasi masarap siya, and it's very diet-friendly pa. Wala siyang preservatives, wala siyang MSG, wala siyang extenders. So, sigurado ka na talaga na it's very healthy and hindi ka mako-conscious kasi kahit gaano karami yung kainin mo, it's just fish. It's just tuna talaga.
100% pure tuna. You'll love all its different flavors. Alam ko kasi pag nagda-diet ka, sometimes what happens is, nakakalungkot. Ang sad ng life. Ulit-ulit na lang yung kinakain mo. But with this, you have a lot of choices. And then you can be very creative with it also. Diba ako, perhaps, baka matry ko, gusto ko pag-uwi, pasta naman. Have you tried that?
Yes, na-try ko nung nag-shoot po kami.
Oh yeah! Diba? Oh, speaking of which, your webisodes. Part of it, we saw already. Pero, alam namin na may mga susunod pa ba? Tell us about what it was nung ginagawa mo yun.
Super saya kasi enjoy lang po yung set. Tapos, they just wanted to be me talaga. Parang real life lang na sinashare kung ano yung na-enjoy ko sa pure tuna, sa Mega Tuna, kung ano yung, paano siya pwedeng kainin, paano siya pwedeng iluto. And I just had to be myself talaga. I didn't really have to act.
Right, and you look like you're having a good time, na parang nasa bahay ka lang.
Ganun talaga yung setup.
Ito yung gagawin mo. So, we're expecting more of those na
I have 4 episodes? 4
more.
For all its variants.
Yes, coming out in November and December.
Nice.
So you watch out for the other installment of the webisodes.
Right, so we've talked about how delicious all these variants are, and how, of course, Mega Global Corporation is staying true to their promise that it is really 100% pure tuna, no preservatives, no MSG, no extenders, pero I know maraming Sir Paolo na benefits yung pagkain ng tuna, 'di ba? Kasi lahat nga tayo health conscious na. First, na-mention na ni Liza na it's good for our health, yung diet natin. If you really want to maintain your diet, then it's a vital component that you can have para ma-maintain yun. Pero I know marami pa, di ba, Sir
Yes,
Pao?
marami pang benefits ng tuna aside from it being good to the health and good to our heart. It's also rich in omega-3 that reduces the risk of stroke. It reduces the risk of stroke by 30% actually. And it reduces the risk of cancer also. Some people know that tuna is a good source of selenium. Selenium is an antioxidant that helps the body's immune system. And tuna also reduces the risk of obesity. So hindi ka talaga tataba. So that's the reason why kinakain yung tuna ng mga nagda-diet, because it reduces the risk of obesity because it controls the body's insulin response. So those are some of the benefits of tuna to our body.
It's good for the heart din daw.
Yes, it has omega-3 eh.
Opo, pati po ba sa heartbroken?
Feeling ko. Sila isa hindi naman yata.
Meron pa dito nakalagay, rich of course in vitamin B, rich in
B
protein, di ba? Ang dami talaga niyang benefits. And imagine, it's all packed in one can. You can bring it easily wherever you go, di ba? Kung office man yan, or parang kay Liza, like the taping. Tapos ngayon, when the holidays are fast approaching, I know you guys are inviting family, and then gusto niyo makaisip ng mga bagong recipe na ipipresent sa kanila, like, you know, little pizza perhaps na gagawin mo. Cute, di ba? Si Liza, I'm sure in her next webisodes, baka susunod, ano ka na? Parang chef ka na.
Chef Liza na.
Di ba? Pero Sir Paolo, perfect talaga si Liza.
Yes.
I know in being that brand ambassador, that endorser for Mega Tuna. Can you tell us more on how you came up with that decision? Bakit siya po yung napili po ninyo?
Actually, Liza is the perfect choice to be the face of Mega Tuna because she gives 100% in everything. Alam naman natin yon. Whether it's in her showbiz career, in her youth advocacy, and of course, her personal life, and with friends and family. Alam natin that she always gives her 100%. Just like Mega Tuna, we wanted to give the consumers our 100%. For pure tuna, 100% benefits na pwedeng makuha ng ating consumers from eating Mega Tuna. So I think Liza is the perfect face of Mega Tuna. And aside from that, Liza also is the best representation talaga of Mega Tuna because she's really perfect. She's 100% beautiful both inside and out.
I so agree. Di ba guys? Perfect na perfect. Tapos pag tinitingnan mo si Liza, habang dinidescribe siya ni Sir Paolo, alam mo yun, sobrang ano na niya, sobrang polite and sobrang mababa. I know you're very happy.
Thank you. Yes.
Diba? Very happy. Blessing yun sa'yo kasi you've been very hardworking and very true to your craft. Pero alam mo, ang maganda rin kay Liza, very approachable siya. Diba? Very, you know, like, makakaano ka, parang hindi ka mai-intimidate sa kanya. And so is I'll Connect with Mega Tuna. I realized very competitive and very affordable. And it's available already nationwide.
Yes.
Alam mo kung magkano? Nagka-grocery ka ba?
No, pero hindi ko lang binigyan kasi nila.
Ayun. Okay.
So, honest talaga siya. Just like Mega Tuna, we're 100% honest in delivering our promise.
Hindi ka kasi nakapag-grocery. Pero Sir Paul, di ba, super, affordable.
Super affordable ang Mega Tuna. It's only at 33.1 peso. It's available in all leading supermarkets and groceries nationwide.
Nationwide na.
Yes.
Nationwide na. So if you go to your groceries or suking tindahan, ask for Mega Tuna. There's 4 variants to choose from. Lahat po, panigurado, ma-enjoy niyong lahat. And so yes, of course, the webisodes from Liza. Imbitahan mo sila ulit. November.
Ayun, yung last two, no? Ang dalawa lang na.
We have 4 more.
We
have 6 eh. We have 6
6 ba? Parang 4 lang na siya. Meron pa po akong 4 na webisodes na ipapalabas po sa November and December. Ang kailangan niyo lang pong gawin is to like the Facebook page and follow our Instagram page at Mega Pure Tuna.
Okay, so again, Facebook page. Ano ito type pag sa Facebook?
Mega Tuna.
Mega Tuna. And then Instagram at Mega Pure Tuna. Alam mo, Liza, kanina meron din kaming ongoing naman yan, contest sa Instagram. Nakita mo ba? Launch may mga posts.
Ay, hindi po. Pero na ano po nila sa akin.
Yan, okay. So meron kaming ginawang